Hello, in this video I will show you how to enable parental control on Motorola Moto G60. So you have to start by swiping down on your screen and then enter settings. Now scroll down and click on Google. Here click on children and family and then click on parental controls. Now click get started and then select child or teenager. Now click next. And then click add or create account for your child. And now you have to enter your child's email address. Then click next. And here you have to enter your child's password. And then click I agree. Then click accept. And here you can choose your Google account. And now you have to enter your parent email address. And then click next. And here you have to enter your parent password. Now you have to scroll all the way down. And here you have to enter your child password again. Now click next. And here scroll down and click next. Now scroll down again and click next. And here you can click install family link, or you can click skip and then you can install this app manually. Then click on review controls. And as you can see, parental control is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.